Did you know CTS is a leader in sustainable construction? Rapid Set Calcium Sulfoaluminate, or CSA cement, reduces carbon emissions by up to 32% and consumes 65% less energy and raw materials compared to ordinary Portland cement, making it one of the greenest cement options available. Did you know? Type K shrinkage-compensating cement contributes to more sustainable construction. Type K technology reduces the need for frequent repairs, extends the life of concrete structures, and lowers the overall carbon footprint by reducing the amount of cement needed over a structure's lifespan. Did you know? Rapid Set products reduce waste and conserve natural resources. Rapid Set Cement's manufacturing process uses less limestone and raw materials and incorporates post-industrial byproducts, diverting waste from landfills and reducing the environmental impact of construction. Did you know? CTS is committed to building a more sustainable world. CTS is dedicated to creating sustainable, high-performance construction solutions that reduce the carbon footprint of building projects and extend the life of critical infrastructure. When factoring in that Rapid Set concrete enables overnight closures that emit 100,000 times less CO2 than standard 24-hour work zones, Rapid Set contributes to a much lower environmental impact. Did you know? Component shrinkage-compensating cement additive supports sustainable building practices. With fewer joints, reduced cracking, and longer service life, Component contributes to more sustainable, low-maintenance structures, reducing the environmental impact of construction over time. Did you know? CTS earned the first Environmental Product Declarations designation in the world for BCSA and the shrinkage-compensating additive. CTS's Type 3 EPDs for Rapid Set Cement, Belletic Calcium Sulfoaluminate, or BCSA cement, and Component Shrinkage-Compensating Additive provide transparent, third-party verified data on their environmental impact. These EPDs help project owners and designers meet sustainability goals by offering products with lower global warming potential,